Eric Whitfield's The Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Type 2 diabetes has become a serious problem throughout the US and many other parts of the world. Despite what many people believe, it is entirely reversible. The main reason that most people with this condition don't get better is because they just don't know how. If you have type 2 diabetes and want to completely eliminate your symptoms, there is a way. There are lots of products that claim to help people get rid of their diabetes. But none of them are as effective as the Halki Diabetes Remedy. About the author. Eric Whitfield is the creator of the Halki Diabetes Remedy. He is an iron worker who lives in Owego, New York. He was inspired to create this guide after his wife almost died from type 2 diabetes. After not getting any noticeable results from the doctors who were supposed to help his wife, he took matters into his own hands. Whitfield began researching the condition and discovered a number of interesting things. After years of research, he put together this system to help people get rid of their type 2 diabetes. The basics. The Halki Diabetes Remedy offers a comprehensive guide for getting rid of type 2 diabetes for good. It is the result of extensive research, and it contains a lot of information that most people don't know. This system is made up of multiple components, which is part of the reason why it works so well for so many people. Materials. There are numerous resources that make up the Halki Diabetes Remedy that can help you improve your overall health. Each of these materials are in digital format, allowing you to read them wherever you go. Halki Diabetes Remedy. The main guidebook is simply called Halki Diabetes Remedy, and it provides you with the basic foundation for the entire system. It will provide you with some very valuable information when it comes to getting your diabetes under control. It is based on current scientific and medical facts. Relaxed Mind Healthy Body. The Relaxed Mind Healthy Body section of this system features 10 videos that will teach you exactly how the mind and body are intrinsically connected. You will learn how to get a healthier body by simple mental exercises. Practicing these things on a daily basis can actually have a profoundly positive impact on your diabetes. These are secrets that you will only be able to get from this particular product. Energy Multiplier. The Energy Multiplier Guide will provide you with another 10 videos that are specifically designed to help boost energy levels. If you have type 2 diabetes, you know how frustrating that feeling of fatigue can be. These videos will give you simple and easy to follow instructions for increasing your energy levels as effectively as possible. The more energy you have, the easier it will be to stay productive in your everyday life. Achieve Your Goals. There is also a 10-part video series that comes with this product, and it is called Achieve Your Goals. It will help you to start living your dreams, so that you can finally accomplish everything you want. Everyone has dreams, and these videos can help you realize how to achieve them. All of these videos are presented in a very straightforward manner that is easy to implement in day-to-day life. You will have a lot of options for combating type 2 diabetes, but the Halki Diabetes Remedy is an extremely useful resource. This product is essentially an entire system for curing this condition, which affects many people all over the world. If you are looking for a definitive way to get rid of your diabetes, this is an excellent option. The information is 100% backed by science and can benefit most people. It is very reasonably priced for the sheer amount of information you get. There aren't many other options